Have you felt that off late you've been gaining weight and that you want to do some exercises which will burn more fat? I have found that more and more people are looking for easier options, faster options, and research says that there are some really good fat burning exercises that if you do them on a regular basis, you will burn fat and you will be actually leading a way more healthier life. Hi, my name is Dinas, and in this video I will be sharing some really good exercises that are good for fat burn. So when we talk about a workout routine, the main three components of exercising are cardio conditioning, strength training and flexibility. Cardio conditioning is the actual workout which will burn fat for you. So what is cardio conditioning? Any workout, any exercise that involves you to move your body rhythmically or unrhythmically. When you move your body continuously, bring your heart rate up to a certain point, maintain it there for a while, and then when you bring it down, that's an activity called cardio conditioning. Now this activity, when you've brought your heart rate up to a certain point, that's your actual fat burning point. That's when you're actually burning your calories and burning fat. So you need to stay in that fat burning zone at least for 20 minutes. Now what are some of the examples of cardio conditioning? The basic and the simplest example that you can do wherever you are is, any guesses? Walking, yes. Cycling, running, swimming, skipping, dancing, Zumba, aerobics. What else? HIIT workouts where the intensity is very high, high intensity interval training workouts, circuit workouts. These are all some basic examples of cardio conditioning. Can you do these exercises without actually going to a gym? Yes, you can. You can do them anywhere at any time. You can even do it in your own office. You can do it in your own home. All you need to do is make sure that you've got a good pair of shoes, because any cardio activity which burns fat involves you to jump a little bit. When you are jumping a little bit, you're actually getting both your feet off the ground, and there is a lot of stress on the ankle joint and the knee joint. It's nearly 1.9 times your body weight. So be careful about any gravitational impact that comes on your joint. So you must be careful by wearing a good pair of supportive shoes. When we are talking about cardio activities for fat burn, you must understand that your intensity, that is the rate, at the speed at which you are working out, is very important. You could have gone for a 4-kilometer walk and taken an hour, or you could have gone for a 4-kilometer walk and taken say 40 minutes. The person who took 40 minutes obviously has gone at a faster rate than the person who took 1 hour. Now the person who took 40 minutes, her or his heart rate has gone up a bit more than the other person. Now how would you know what your heart rate should be when you're doing these cardio activities? Remember a scale called the Borg scale. In the Borg scale, you need to understand that this is a scale between 0 to 10. How tired are you on a scale of 0 to 10, 10 being the maximum and 0 being the least? For you to be burning fat, for you to be burning calories, you have to be between 5 and 8 on that scale. So you bring your heart rate up and then ask yourself, how tired are you? So if you're 5, you need to walk faster or move faster or increase the speed on the treadmill or the cross trainer, or whatever activity that you are doing. When you do that and bring it up to 8 and stay at 8 for 20 minutes, that's exactly your fat burning zone. So be very aware and be very careful of how much fat you are burning during each activity. And so remember the Borg scale, and that's what is going to help you in keeping you in the fat burning zone. So some of the best activities to recap are for fat burn are walking, cycling, skipping, going on the treadmill, cross trainer, biking, stationary bike, the dance aerobics, Zumba, any dance form. These are all activities which will actually help you in burning fat, and you can do them anywhere, anytime without actually going to the gym. And talking about the anywhere, anytime, I have got a series of anywhere, anytime workouts which I have uploaded on my channel. Go take a look at those and start working out. As soon as you finish your cardio activities, you need to do those activities, because coupled with the cardio activities and the muscle toning activities, your body will be way more fitter, way more stronger, way more toned, and way more leaner. So these are some of the beautiful exercises for you to burn fat. Stay tuned on this channel. Lots is coming on the way. I'm on a roll and I want to see you healthy and happy for the rest of your life. Do subscribe to my channel, like my videos and share my videos, cause it's just not life, it's the quality of life that we all should be leading.